Right now, you're probably supposed to be doing something else, studying, sleeping, working, but instead you're watching this. And that's not just you being lazy. There's a psychological reason behind this. It's not your fault, it's your brain. See, your brain has two main parts at war: the prefrontal cortex, the logical part, and the limbic system, the emotional, ancient part. One says, let's finish our homework. The other says, let's scroll for just 5 more minutes. And guess who usually wins? The one that's been evolving for millions of years, your emotional brain. Psychologists call this procrastination by mood repair. Your brain delays the hard stuff not because it's lazy, but because it wants to feel better right now. Anxiety, boredom, fear of failure, those feelings, your brain sees the work as a threat and runs. That's why you say, I'll feel like doing it later. But spoiler alert, you won't. What's worse, your brain rewards the decision to delay. The moment you skip the task, you feel relief. And that creates a habit loop. You're training yourself to avoid responsibility all while blaming yourself for being lazy. But here's the twist. You're not lazy. You're just caught in a loop your brain is wired to follow. So how do you beat it? Psychologists suggest something called implementation intentions. It's simple. If I feel like skipping this, then I'll open my book and do just one small task. You're hacking your brain before the argument even starts. And if that fails, go even smaller. Set a 2-minute timer and tell yourself, I'll just start. That's all. And more often than not, you'll keep going. Your brain isn't your enemy, it's just outdated software. But now you have the cheat codes. Stop blaming yourself. Start outsmarting yourself. If this helped, share it with someone who's stuck in that loop. And hey, if you made it this far, maybe you're ready to start your real task now. Subscribe for more mind hacks like this. Let's rewire your brain, one video at a time.